I'm Corey Wong, Director of the Women and Gender Collaborative at Colorado State University. Collaborative Conversations is a special, unique program that we're offering to help model and demonstrate the process of deep, healthy dialogue across our differences. So it's set up intentionally to be a space where we don't have a free-for-all with a bunch of people engaging and sharing their opinions at any given moment. Instead, we're deliberate about selecting a few participants that will be engaging with one another over the course of a semester. So 3 different conversations will constitute an entire series on one given topic related to gender. So fall of 2017, our inaugural semester for our first series of collaborative conversations, is focusing on coming to consciousness around the politics of gender. So the 4 different panelists that we have aren't really engaging like panelists where they're coming to speak on their expertise, but they are consistently meeting back with one another to express and share their experience of how they came to consciousness that around gender as a political issue, what that felt like, what that meant, and how it shows up in their life now, so that we can better understand our differences and experiences of gender. As a 3-part series, the intention behind that is that the audience that's witnessing this, either in person or by referencing these videos online, will be able to see how the conversation continues to develop over time. Not only is that going to be in terms of content and the way that the topic is engaged, but also to be able to see the development that happens within the individuals as they process and share and think through their own experiences, but then also the relationships between the participants themselves, because relationships, rapport, trust, those are all conditions that are helpful for really facilitating a genuine dialogue that's productive, insightful, and constructive for helping us move these issues forward. So for more information about the Collaborative Conversation series and our series topics for upcoming semesters, you can visit the Women and Gender Collaborative's website at thecollaborative.colostate.edu.